What's up, everyone? This is Crown Dodge in Ventura. Today, we're taking a look at a used 2018 Land Rover Range Rover Velar S, still under factory warranty. It's got the Yulong white exterior with black leather interior, coming in at 43,412 miles. It's a one-owner clean CarFax with no accidents. It's got the 3.0 V6 engine, coming in at 380 horsepower, alloy rims, power liftgate, 10-inch entertainment screen, navigation, heated seats, ventilated seats, power panoramic moonroof, premium audio, backup camera, Bluetooth, all-weather floor and cargo mats, plus more. If you like what you see, call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more details. Again, this is Crown Dodge in Ventura, and you just took a look at a used 2018 Land Rover Range Rover Velar S.